This is state management agent and property management system developed VB6 and MS Access. For this project, you need to have Visual Basic 6.0. So once you install Visual Basic 6.0, it will install in this menu Visual Studio 6.0. So I am using Windows 10 and this is Visual Basic 6.0. So for start, so I have to click on right click and select Run as Administrator. Okay, click on yes. So once you buy this project, you will get these files. This is the source code folder including database, and this is the database file. Then this is the all the project files. Okay. So to open this project, first start the Visual Basic 6.0, then copy this project folder path, and then click on existing, paste the path of the folder, then you select the project file, property project.vb. Click on open. So it will open the project in, and this is the project explorer. So you'll get all the VB files. So these are all the files you'll get. So if you want to change any design or any logo or anything, you can just click and you can just change the text also. Okay, whatever you want. Now once it is done, so there is nothing need to be changed. This is the main file, all the menu and everything is there. So if you want to add any form or you want to change any form, so just double click and click and change the text also. Okay. So once everything is done, so you have to just click on run to run the project. So the ID is admin and password is 123. So 1 is the password. Okay, this is the main form. So show you the details. This is the main form. This is the menu, and this is the toolbar, and this is status bar. It is showing that the today's date. Okay, so I'll first open. There is a three things in this project. One is property, one is vendor, and client. Client means who will interested to buy the property, and property is the property master. Vendor is the agent who registered the property. Okay, so there is a two type property. One is residential property, one is commercial property. So is the navigation button. So you can click and you can say next record. Then there is a view all option is there, so it will show all the property, registered property in the grid. So if you want to check, you just double click, it will come like property document or property reference number. Okay, or you can just want to see the plan, so click on plan, so it will show you the different images. Okay, so I'll just go the first record, click on plan, open property document. So it will be show the document, then floor plan, so it will show you the plan. So if you want to view, you can just click and it will display. Okay, like in other property also, whatever available you can view that. The next record and click on plan, property image, so it will show property image. So you can add also like import, so if you have any images, so you can just click and it will show here. Okay, now suppose I want to edit this record, so I'll click on edit, then I'll click on whatever I want extra and click on save. So record will be saved. Now there is called find option, so I can click on find. So you can search, these are all the parameter you can search. So I want to search the type of property, so I can search by which floor I want. So I will click on floor number 2, search now. So no record is there. So there is a call find, there is extensive search. Then cancel search. I'll show you later. Okay, then there is another for commercial property. Suppose you want to add a new, so you can just click on new and you have to fill all the details. So click on new, the property number is automatically come. So you have to add all the details there and then you have to save. So new record will be saved. Like vendor same way, this is the vendor who, basically this is the agent, property agent you can say. Okay, so this database is there. This is a client, this is a customer, residential client. So if I want to add a new client, I can click on new, title, Mr. Aditya, um, building number 723, street name Mumbai, town city Mumbai, country India, postal code 4001, this one, India, and telephone number, mobile number is there, is another field is there, so I can type there already. Email ID you can type. Now what is the budget of that customer? So I can say 25 lakh. Type of property, say you want house, particular property he can house. Which area? So Mumbai. Rooms, how many rooms is there? 2 rooms. And this bathroom, how many bathrooms there? 2 bathrooms. And which floor you want? Garage is not required. Yes. And near to school, near to metro, which line? Central line. I didn't very much. Okay, do you need help in mortgage loan? Yes. Then save. So record is saved. Go to the last record, it will come. So I want to now I want to search the record. I have, so I can click on find, then I can type Aditya and then search now. So it will come. Okay, so another one is extensive search. Extensive basically, if you don't know which field you need to search, there is a called update keyword. So you have to just first update whatever new keyword is just keyword is created. Now you can go search record and search. Sorry, then search extensive search. Now it is come like this is coming in client master table. It is record is there. So I want don't know anything. I want only Mumbai. So I will search. So where is the Mumbai's reference is there. So if I want to open Mumbai, the double click this record will show. Open record. So another one is history. First we will do the matching. Matching basically, suppose I have a property database, I have a client requirement, so I will search match that. So I have a residential requirement. Okay, then I will type the maximum 25 lakh. So this is the client which I have entered, Aditya. Okay, now I want to match. So client is requirement is this is the requirement. Okay, so I can just this is the option means how it will be search, how it will match with the my database. Okay, so I'll just close all the thing. Now I will just click on house. So whatever house is in the database, it will show. This is all house property. Now I will add more filter, like which area I will remember match. So there is no recordable in Mumbai area. So I want to give that bathroom to match. Only one record is available. Means one property is available with this combination. So I can change the combination and I can check. Like if I this combination match. So this is the command. So now this once we select the property, so I can set the appointment also. Click on appointment. So appointment will come. So now I will set the appointment. Confirmed. Appointment is confirmed. Okay. Now if I go to confirmation, there is a diary is there. So this is added. So which the customer name and what is that telephone or everything is coming. date and time. Okay. Now there is another option called, this is a matching with property with, same with property with and client with property, both the things. So we have property. So what is the matching condition? So you can check. Now once this is done, you can set an offer also. So offer, I want to set offer to by client. So property reference number, I can set property number 1, vendor reference number 2, client reference number, new client 10. So save. Offer amount. What is the offer amount? 25. So offer is saved. Now you can print or you can email also, like you want to print. So it will create a letter, like this is the offer letter. So whatever the address and everything is coming. Okay, offer date everything. Now you can email also. But if for email you have to install Outlook also. Because Outlook is required. Now once it is done, there is another code called transaction. I will show already. Offer letter, confirm letter, or same thing. Now there is a phone. Suppose this is the state agent. Suppose he receive or he do some calling. So you can enter this outgoing phone, incoming phone. So whatever phone is coming to that particular vendor office, the receptionist can log in details. Right? So once the customer call, so he will ask this registered client or customer. He can add the customer details also. Or if it is old customer, he will ask what is your name. So he will ask the what is the customer name. So we'll say Aditya, search. Aditya is coming. Details is coming. So he will put the note. So once the he wants and he will save. The new record in add. So there is a, so this is a different option is there. Alarms, diary, I will show you diary. So you can add a new appointment also. So I want to get an appointment for tomorrow. So I'll select what is the appointment with client. So I'll select the client details. Then what time? So I'll say tomorrow 10 a.m. So if you go to tomorrow date, this appointment will come. So you can print the appointment also. Set the new appointment also. Then there is a call transaction tools. There is a property thumbnail also. Suppose any customer want to view all the property details. So you can just click on residential, start. So it will fetch all the record of the database and the images, everything will display in there. So you can take a printout and you can send these details to the customer. Okay, so now you can generate commercial property details also. So it is coming commercial property. Okay, same way. So whatever data you have, you can print. Okay. Now there is another option. This is basically user management. So we want to add a new user, so you can add this new user. I want to add a new user. Say okay. Sorry. Password you have to type first. Then name of the user. And what is the password? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. And he is a user. Okay. So next time Aniket can log in. So new user Aniket is login. So same way there is a different option is there. So you can just once you buy it, you can use this project and you can add, edit property and all the details. These are the project files. So once you buy it, you will get all the details. Okay.